Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're not receiving a CIBC verification code, first check your phone's signal and internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. After that, wait at least 1 minute before requesting a new code. Now, open your email and click on the three-line option in the left side top left corner. Then scroll down, check your spam, then check your trash. Sometimes the messages might end up there. Also, next make sure your registered phone number is correct in your CIBC account. If the code still does not arrive, restart your phone and try again. You can also contact CIBC support if the issue continues, and that's it. Subscribe for more.